Dewalt drill. Not good. Yeah, didn't be too bad. So she's not running on hammer, but she'll run on drill. So it's a broken shaft inside. Dewalt are generally good, well-priced machines, and they have a good range of stuff, but they do have a lot of problems. Strong and powerful and do the work you need, but they do fail quite a bit. Parts break in them and need repaired probably more than most brands, to be honest. Always one you forget. Dewalt absolutely loves screws. I'm sick of working on these things the first time you open one. Hammer's gone as well, she's gone dry. Striker's okay. Change the O-ring on that. Piston's gone too long. Totally bone dry. That's gone. Need the O-ring. That's alright, just needs a clean out. That can be saved. Nope, didn't break a shaft then. This actual jack shaft here that connects these gears and everything together, that can snap. This can just shear off here, and you have to replace that shaft with this cam on top. The other thing that can break is this actual con rod. They can break in half. They're the two main ones. That one's okay. Quick clean out that tool holder, get a new piston and O-ring, and new grease. That's her. You have one of these Dewalt drills, UK or America or Canada, wherever. America might be different numbers. DCH273. That's the brushless, even the brushed version. All ones that size. Main thing you need to keep an eye on is the grease inside. The grease will eventually migrate away from the piston and dry out the striker. O-ring gets dry then. She starts to bind up. You'll notice the hammer getting weaker. If the hammer gets weaker, get it checked, get the O-ring changed, get new grease in it. If you leave it too long, and if you let it run too long like that, that's what you'll do to your piston. Get it all scored and it'll no longer function. You'll have to replace that as well. Keep an eye on that. Apart from that, decent machine, decent hammer, do their job when they're working, but eventually they all seem to need re-greased in some way like that there, and they all seem to burn through the striker or the piston, camshaft or the con rod. The only thing they can do is the C-clip holding together the tool holder. They can sometimes break as well. Yeah, a lot of them out there, but a lot of them come on for repair.